Good afternoon, everyone. A little bit of a rainy day there. There's clouds here. Hope it doesn't piss down on us. But we've got to take our dogs for a walk. Dusty on the left, Daisy's on the right. And Susan's just there, all rugged up because it's raining a little bit. This is a little walk we usually do. No wee in there. We tell him not to wee on these electric boxes. He has to get every tree up here, but there's 3 trees in a row. He always has to get every one of them. Wee on them. There he goes, he's trying to get to that tree already. Try to get that tree, matey. Ain't ya? Let's go this way. Michael coming to you from the back of Smash. This is our little walk that we usually do every day. It's going to rain here today, look at it. Spitting at the moment. This is that other third tree he has to get. Yeah, one more. Oh no, that's the second one. He's going to get this third one, you watch. Beeline straight to it. Yeah. Gotta get it, don't you, buddy? Good. Oh, just a little one, was it? Oh, and this pole here. Gotta get this pole. Come on, bud. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, Dusty's a big boy, he is actually. Pretty big, look at the little girl to him. This walk you usually do takes 45 minutes.
The harnesses on from Dog Friendly Company.
Got their dog friendly harness on.
The tags from Walkabout and from Billy and Co today.
What you saying, Susan?
I just said it.
She just said it. Got their tags on. They actually bought collars which actually have their name on it.
And the phone number.
And the phone number written into it. Going to pull it out and show them.
You can get very closer. Here's Dusty's.
Dusty's got the
The
name.
number. Don't really want to show the number. And here's his name.
Dusty, yeah.
That's his D tag.
D tag.
And the collars from Inpet. Tags
Okay.
from Walkabout.
Inpet.
Yeah.
Which I think we got for free.
Yeah, we did.
No? No, we didn't. Get a lot of free presents from beautiful people for the dogs because they just love our dogs. Every tree. That's why I try and stay on this side of the path. Now he's only got grass and I don't have to go to every tree so he can go to the toilet. I don't know how a dog can pee so much, but I think the action of just peeing, they like it. They think they did pee, but they only got a little drop out. There's Daisy in front. Dusty's fist farting around on the left here, trying to sniff everything up. There he goes. Anyway, we'll end it there. That's the end of the vlog. Say hello, Susan, in her little jacket up there. Anyway, see you later.